Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to share any file saved on your Google Drive with a direct and downloadable link, which will be very easy to use. Usually to share any file, what you do, you select the file and then click on the share icon and then change the restricted to anyone with the link and then copy the link and click done. So let me open a new page and paste that link to see how it look like. So paste the link and hit enter. It shows like this. It shows the content and you can click this icon to download. But if you want to direct download, you have to have this ID and put it in another link, which I will show you now. In order to create the shareable downloadable link, let me open a new page and write https drive.google.com/uc then question mark export equals to download and id equals, and after equals you have to write the id of your file, and in order to find it you go back to the shared link and copy this portion of the link after the d and before the view. Copy this and paste it after the equal sign, and now you can copy the whole link and paste it anywhere you want to share it. So let me test this link how it works. I'll open a new page and paste that link, the new link, and hit enter. As you see, the download will start automatically without need to click on any other link. I hope this video was useful for everybody. See you in my next video.